It's 1080p and it's shooting into the sun in the morning. They're all ready to go and they're basically just doing a layout of all the equipment. And it's really interesting because they're going to be placing all these ties onto the existing rail. And they're going to build this section, including the switches for this switch section. And then they're going to cut away the other section of the middle rail and then slide this section that they're building over into that position. They're going to use some ginormous machine, so it's going to be super interesting. I hope I can capture it on drone, but I might be out. Check out these guys. They're hustling, carrying 2 buckets, and those buckets are heavy. They're filled with those heavy screws and brackets. They've got to be at least 60 pounds each. They're shuffling them all over the section. Okay, at this point the truck starts moving in equipment, and next it starts moving in rails into position. So it's pretty interesting. I was wondering when and if they would see the camera, and it did happen. So I did my best to translate.
Mira, mira lo que dejaron aquí puesto para que monitoreemos de la vía.
¿Solo de dónde quién fue?
Me dijo su cámara, Alex.
No.
Sí.
¿En serio?
Okay, they're back at it, and they're moving in the pneumatic drill so they can start bolting those plates onto the ties. They'll be dropping the rails on shortly here. Okay, off goes the truck. Interesting, I have some really cool aerial video of that guy actually being really accurate with that machine. So at this point, they're just assembling the line, placing it onto the plates and getting it bracketed in and bolted and lined up. So I have so much video from the air, but this is shot in 1080p, so I think I'm going to create another video where you'll get to see all this from the air as well, and I'll try to overlay some of the sound as well. But they're just getting everything in place at this point and doing a pretty good job because there's a lot of equipment here and it's a huge section once you see it. Okay, so it's lunchtime. For the rest of the day, they start focusing on making sure that they have the alignment set properly. They put down a couple of the main line sections. They put in the point rail. They also put in the frog section and a couple of closure rails. This was really physical labor in the beginning for these workers who were using the pneumatic to use the lag screws to tighten those plates down. That went on all day. So let's see how it progresses from here.